like the desert. So hot and tired.
What the hell? Oh, fidget spinners?
This things is stupid!
Stu, what are you doing?
Out of my way, stupid! Flintstones. Flintstones? What do you do, tricks with tricks? You throw it at your friends? Why are you trying to cut your with it?
Oh, that is definitely inappropriate. Your lucky sound effects Smurf is here.
We're not sorry! From the cavemen who invented the wheat comes the useless wheat. Squat and hunch over your spinner in the middle of the street. Spit real hot shish! And you can, hey, get your fingers off my chocolate.
I like chocolate.
Spinner your dinner.
Oh, my...
We should never speak of this again.